Yo, what's up? This is Joe the Punk. Anyway, I'm gonna be playing Resident Evil 4 again. Or, I'm gonna be continuing the Resident Evil 4 series. So, yeah.
Condor 1, I've identified a route to the lake. Look for a large windmill. There's a path on the far side of it.
Windmill. Copy that.
And be careful. Roost out.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the shotgun because I missed it in the last episode. So I want to get the shotgun. I don't know exactly what the shotgun is.
These people are sick.
Yeah. Very cool. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, that's the cow that was on fire last time. This is the house. Hand grenade. That could have been useful last time, but did I have a hand grenade? Where's the house with the shotgun? I know it's a two-story house. So where are... Oh, it's this one. I think. I really don't know. Might as well check all the houses. Gunpowder. Nice. Okay. Here. Handgun ammo. Nice. Okay, so where's the shotgun? I know it's not. What's in here? A ruby. I could sell that. Let's go. Where is the other house? It has to be this one. And it's not. It's the same house that one. Okay. Where's the shotgun? Here. Oh man. Time to find the shotgun. It's not this house, but I just look at the items here. Okay. We need a key. Nice. I'm glad I went through this house, now I can sell that. Probably buy another gun or something. I found the shotgun house. I'm so dumb. It was right there, and I didn't go in. Yeah. Hand grenade. Wow, this would have been really useful while I was fighting the villagers off. Shotgun. There it is.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, no, right? Here. I think there should be handgun. I mean, not handgun. Shotgun shell. Yep. Shotgun shells. Can I not jump out the window? I guess I can't. Alright. Oh, I can jump over that one, but not that one. Is fall damage here? No, obviously there's no fall damage. This has been jumping out of windows this whole entire time in this game. Okay, this is going well. I mean, not for now. Okay, so I went the wrong way. Wait, map. Oh, I went the exact way where I was. I went the way that I came in. I don't know. I know I say this a lot, but like, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I said that last time, but I really don't. Okay, let's look around here. Yeah, I spent like 5 minutes trying to find a shotgun, and then I'm so dumb. Yes, I know. I'm bad at video games. I'm bad at this. So I go through here, take a shortcut. Not a shortcut. Okay, that's what I had to do. Okay, finally.
There it is.
Nice. Right, so right here. I'm not gonna save because there's no point. What? Alright. No. Oh man, I shouldn't have wasted my shotgun shell. Wait, do I have auto aim on? Wait. Where's the settings? I think I have aim assist. When I'm playing standard though. Wait. Do I have auto assist? Wait. Options. Wait. Do I have aim assist? Yeah, I do have aim assist on. Alright, off. Cool. I have aim assist. Wait, what's happening? Oh. Okay, can you get through that door? Ah! Nope, can't go that way. Why are you using that? I don't have a key, so I can't use that. Wait, where's my objective? There's Village Square, and I'm supposed to go here. So I'm way off. Oh, this is what I'm supposed to do. Right, I'm not doing that. I probably should. That'd give me more money, I guess. I don't know what those things are called, so I'm just gonna call them. I can't pronounce. What would good if I? Oh! Oh, that was so close. Disable. Okay. I almost died right there. What is this? The yellow herb? Yeah, yellow herb. Yeah, this is really like getting me like Resident Evil 2 remake vibes. Probably because it's Resident Evil, but like with the yellow herbs and combining them. That was so fun. Oh, okay, a puzzle.
I'll fix everything myself.
Yeah, this is like the clock tower in Resident Evil 2. Alright, let's go over here. What's the point of this? I'm gonna have to red herb. I should probably just combine my herbs now. I keep hitting. Yes, crap. No, there's no point. I don't have a red herb, so what? Lagging, flagging, flat, whatever. There's resources. Resources. Just resources. I want to fight these people, but I could have just shut the lock off, but I didn't want to waste ammo. You got ammo? Ruby. Glad I checked. Oh no. I hate the reload time. It takes like 50 minutes. Oh hell no. Shit.
Damn.
I just trapped myself. I am so retarded that I've just trapped myself. Shit, die! Oh, I could have evaded that. Oh man. I suck. I suck. Alright, well. I'm not gonna do that again. Probably just gonna fix the wheel. I probably could have ran, but I ran the wrong direction. I'll catch him on. Wooden cog. So as soon as I get that wooden cog, climb, 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 climb. Yes. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, let's get it. Thank you. I don't know where that old thing is. Oh. Yes. Is it following me? Oh yeah, it's following. This is great, I guess. Oh, this is just wonderful. This just, oh no, it can follow me. I thought it would stop, like it does in every other situation. I don't know why I'm running so slow right now, or even if I'm running at all. Where is he? Let me guess, he's right there. Where do I go? I went the wrong way, the wrong direction. Right there. I don't know even where I am anymore. Oh shit. Yeah, lady, suck it. Huh. She just waited for me. It's like, well, we can't fight him. He's gone too far, man. Alright, we're done with that. Then... That happened, I guess. Nope. Okay. Resources. Wait a minute. Can I craft stuff? I mean, I know I can craft stuff. But... should make shotgun shells. Just 'cause I don't. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I want to use my kitchen knife on you. Boom. He should have died in my opinion, but whatever. Alright. Too good. Get out of my way. Should I be going this way, or is this just a dead end? This is a dead end, and I'm stupid. I'm special. I thought I parried that. I guess I didn't. Oh, that's what you get for stabbing me. I'm close to death here. Oh no, it's one of those winky wonky things. Let me in. Ah, you can't get in here. Okay. I mean, I think they can. I don't know. Still don't have a key for that. Eventually I will. I think. Maybe. I hate these things. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna need this. Gunpowder. Okay.
What's that noise?
Looks like I gotta kill him. No, he's fast, he's too fast. Ah. Let's go down here. Alright. Flip around. Oh yeah, why did they have to do this to me? Ugh. Okay. Oh, it's him! He's the guy from the cupboard or the closet from the first one.
Seemed like you really wanted to talk.
I mean, not the
How
whatever.
observant, senor.
The original.
Say, you got a smoke? I know those things will kill you. Oh, well, maybe just untie me then, huh?
Joder, not this guy.
Who are you? Okay, stop
Who are
right there.
Yeah, you think he's really going to listen to you? That guy still acts like a police officer, like Red Evil 2. Well, that's not good. Chapter end. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. So yeah, that was a pretty good video, I guess. I think this is going to be probably. I don't know how many parts it is. This is going to be. But yeah, this is going to be a really fun series, I guess. Call it. But anyway, if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you later, I guess.